Hey guys, so today on the shed sesh, we make this. That. Not that, that. Okay guys, so today we're putting together a table saw table. It's just out of 2x4 or 90x45 with a yellow tongue top with a bit of ply on top of that. I'll finish the edges off with some edging at some point as well. The height of it is, well, the height of the whole table itself actually matches the bench behind. So you know, we have we've got the casters, then we've got the height of the tabletop, plus the height of the saw. So that way the other benches can be used as a run-off table as well, or a feed-in, feed-out table. So go through the footage. Footage will be a little bit chopped up. My daughter, as amazing as it was to have my daughter help me out, she was in every shot, and the wife wasn't a fan of the fact that she was so prominent in it. So I'm going to chop out most of that. Would you believe she doesn't trust YouTube? We'll do that. We'll go through it, and I'll take you through the table and the saw at the end. Thanks for watching. So what we've got here, we've got some casters off eBay. Now what you can do with these, they roll around, and then you can just adjust them. So they're not a quick adjust, but you can adjust them. You've got about 10 mil of adjustment, so you can level it and that type of thing. So what I've done there, I've taken the base height, given say a 5 mil raise of those rubber feet. I've taken the length of the the height of the table, plus we've got, I think it's 19 mil yellow tongue flooring, then 9 or 10 mil ply on top. That together with the height of the actual saw itself is the same height as that there, which is the same height as not this table, but the top of that saw there as well. So so everything's the same height, so you can use those tables as the run-off tables, or the feed in, feed out tables as well. So what I was going to do was chuck in some T-nuts in here, but I went and forgot all about it till after the fact, and I can't put them in under from the other side. So what I've done, I've ordered some of those screw-in threads, so then we can screw in the M10 from the top. So that'll be just as good, and she's all pretty mobile, and I can move it anywhere. Now the idea is, obviously, and one of the reasons I use those feet are that for the most part it'll stay probably around here somewhere, and I do want to plumb up some dust extraction up there, and that'll go down around the end there. The place is a bit of a pigsty, but it's one of the reasons I'm doing a lot of this filming, is to film the shed actually being put together and built up, so you guys can do it as well. Just to show you how easy it is. It's definitely time consuming. It's not one of those things that happen overnight. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like and subscribe down below, I'll keep trying to keep these videos going. We'll try to get through and show you how I go about setting up the shed, or both sheds. Obviously I've got the other one up there. The idea behind this one is that it's the woodworking area. So if you check out my other video where I asked you guys what you reckon I should do with the shed, or is it over here? Anyway, keep getting mixed up on that one. I pretty much decided that I'd be able to sort of use it as multi-purpose, but for the most part I want to set it up as a bit of a woodworking shop or shed, and then it'll be great just to be able to do some projects. Thanks again guys. As always, love your work. Get in the shed.